All right, thanks for joining us on Valley News Live Thursday, a first alert weather day, and we're not all going to see thunderstorms, but the ones that do form could be strong to severe. The main chance of that will be Red River Valley and points off to the east. I'll have more on the timing of that. Right now, look at the Dakota Magic Casino. We see a few clouds out there. The wind has been gusty for almost all of us today, and that southerly direction keeping things warm. 76 right now as our temperature in Fargo continues to climb, 75. Out at Moorheads Airport, look at the heat building in, punching into our western counties where you see the dark red. 80 degrees in Jamestown, 77 Valley City, Gwinner, and Devil's Lake. We have cooler yellows on the temperature contours here where we have some rain showers bringing temperatures back into the low 60s for you in Thief River Falls. Here are those showers and clouds making their way mainly from the Red River Valley and points east. Now remember, northern parts of Norman County, much of eastern Polk, Clearwater, and northern Beltrami County in exceptional drought. So the moisture is much needed, and the fact is the motion of the showers to the north and east at 35 miles per hour means that northern Beltrami County getting showers. Now we'll see another wave pass, possibly even the stuff near Ada will head up in that direction as well. So we could have several tenths of an inch for some of you up here where things have been exceedingly dry throughout the entirety of the summer. A few thunder showers now forming in the Red River just south of Climax, heading into the Beltrami area and northern parts of Norman County. The rest of our western and southern counties, by and large, very dry and quiet. Here's the area of concern for a slight risk of severe weather. Notice it's our far eastern counties. That's where the ingredients are there for all modes of severe weather. We're talking hail over an inch. We're talking gusty straight line winds that could potentially exceed 60 miles per hour, and even an isolated tornado cannot be ruled out. Tonight, the showers we have now on the radar exit fairly quickly, and by the 10 o'clock hour, most of us should be quiet. South wind continues 15 to 20 miles per hour, even into the 10 o'clock hour. As we go into the overnight hours, it looks like we have a chance at seeing some redeveloping thunderstorms in northwest Minnesota. This will be after around 1 in the morning, and these will quickly work their way through. These could be windy, and they could have some isolated hail in them. We'll keep you posted on that. Do I expect them to be severe? No. Morning temperatures will be right around 50 to 55 degrees for most, a little warmer down to the south. Clouds and a few sprinkles north of Highway 2. That's maybe even requiring an umbrella. The midday forecast, already midday, we could see the development of some thunderstorms in and around the Red River Valley that work their way into parts of northwest Minnesota. This is the main event. South winds ahead of it, north winds behind it as a cool front will be pushing through. When that happens, we're going to see a chance for some of those storms to have all of those potent ingredients that we talked about moments ago. Behind it, north winds bringing in drier and much cooler air, and the cool down begins tomorrow night. Will you be able to get out and enjoy your evening? In eastern North Dakota, most of us will stay, well, for the most part, dry, and it looks fairly quiet here in Fargo-Moorhead. We could have some nighttime showers, but all in all, the cooler weather will be settling in for Friday, but it only is here for one day. Temperatures on your day tomorrow, Thursday, ramping up only into the mid 70s at best. We will have our best chance of showers and storms in the midday to 2 o'clock in the afternoon hour before the north winds take hold, suppressing the 80-degree readings down to the far south. And look at that, low 60s for many up north, with the thunderstorm chances mainly in northwest portions of Minnesota. Kevin, thanks for a lovely shot here. The colors this time of year are magnificent. First alert weather day Thursday, cooler Friday, but dry. And that dry weather stays for Saturday and Sunday. In fact, Sunday will be hot for many of us. Now, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, all 3 days a chance of rain, particularly Tuesday and Wednesday, where some soakers could move through, and many in our area could see 1 to 5 inches of rain. That's right, some wet storms next week.
We needed the rain, but now as the harvest is underway, 5 would be a little bit more than wanted.
That's true.
All right, thanks.
Yes.
Next on Valley News Live at 5, the president meets with business leaders to see how a vaccine mandate is helping their businesses.
Valley